Hello students and welcome back to the digital platform of Jafri and Fatima English Medium School, Mova. We are studying about subject maths in standard 8. In last lecture we have discussed about the multiplication, division, subtraction and addition of a fraction number, that is integer. And also last we have discussed about the reciprocal of a number. That means reciprocal means the inverse of a number. Plus will be minus or minus will be plus. Now today we will start our next topic, that is inverse and a verification of a two result. So first of all we will start additive inverse. Our next topic is additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse means we have to change the sign of a number. Sign of a number means plus digit will be converted into minus digit and minus digit will be converted into the plus digit. Let us start first one. We will take one example 2. This is the plus 2. So additive inverse of this number will be minus 2. Okay. Second number 17 divided by 15. What will be the additive inverse? Here is the plus. So minus 17 divided by 15 is the additive inverse. Now second one, minus 17 divided by 18. So minus 17, now here is the sign minus. So it will be converted into plus. So answer will be plus 17 divided by 18. This is the additive inverse. In additive inverse we have to slightly change the sign of a number. Plus will be minus and minus will be the plus. So this is the additive inverse. Okay. Now next is a verification of a result. Second one is verification. Let us start example number 4. Example number 4. Verify that minus x is the same as x. That means is equal to x. That means we have to prove the value of minus x is equal to value of x. So let us start first question, that is x is equal to 13 divided by 17. Okay. Now this is value of x. Now we have to prove minus x. So let us start. Therefore minus x is equal to. Now first of all we will put a sign minus, again bracket minus and the value of x. So value of x is 13 divided by 7. So now compare it, minus plus. Answer will be 13 divided by 17. Okay. This is the answer. Now compare. Answer of this is equal to x. So we can verify that the value of minus x is equal to value of x, or we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Second question is x is equal to minus 21 divided by 31. Here value of x is minus 21. Now we have to prove that if we are taking minus x, then also answer must be minus 21 divided by 31. Let us see. Therefore minus x is equal to, here first of all minus as per rules, bracket against minus as per rules. Now value of x is minus 21 divided by 31. Now compare all sign. That means minus plus, plus minus, or one step we have to more minus, here minus plus. Answer will be 21 divided by 31. Now there is no sign, that means it is a plus. So plus minus is equal to answer minus 21 divided by 31. Okay. this is the answer. That means it is equal to, what will be the answer? X. So we can verify here also, the value of x is equal to value of minus x. So this is the example for verification of a result. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Now example number 5. Example 5 is find, example number 5, find 2 divided by 5 into minus 3 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 14 minus 3 divided by 7 into 3 divided by 5. This is the question we have to solve. Now we can see here there is a sign of multiplication, sign of minus, sign of minus. Okay, now if there is a sign of multiply and a sign of plus minus, then first of all we have to solve the multiplication between numbers. That means there is a, when there is a multiplication between two number, fractional number of integer, first of all we will solve that only. After that we will compare with 1 divided by 14. So now these two will, we have to compare it, is equal to 2 divided by 5 into minus 7 by minus 3 divided by 7. That will be in bracket minus 1 divided by 14. Again minus, and 3 divided by 7 into 3 divided by 5. We have separated the multiplication step. So first of all we will multiply these two and these two, and after that we will compare with a minus 1 divided by 1. Now 2 3s are 6. Here it is minus, so answer will be minus 6 divided by 7 5s are 35. Again minus 1 divided by 14. Again minus, and here 3 3s are 9 divided by 7 5s are 35. Okay, now we can take a common LCM of this. Now we will make a common LCM of 14, 35 and 35. What will be the common LCM? It will be common LCM 14. That means it will come in 7. 7 2s are 14. Here 7 5s are 35. 7 again 5s are 35. Next step 2. 2 will be a common factor of 2 1s are. 5 will be not in the table of 2. Again 5 will be not in the table of 2. So now the remaining is 5. So 5 1s are 5. So our common LCM is 7 2s are 14, 14 into 5. That means total common LCM is 70. Now we have to compare with this the remaining, and will make a common LCM. So first step is minus 6 divided by 35. This is the number. Now here denominator is a 35. That means 35 means this 7 and 5. 7 5s are 35. So these two numbers are there. Only 2 is remaining here. So these two will be multiplied as a common LCM. So 35 into 2, 6 into 2. Next step is minus 1 divided by 14. Now 14 means 7 2s are 14. So what is the remaining number is 5. So 14 will be multiplied by 5, and minus 9 divided by 35. Again 35. 35 means 7 5s are. So remaining number is 2. So it will be multiplied by 2. Okay. Now we have make a common LCM. So let us multiply the numerator. 6 2s are minus 12. 1 into 5 minus 5, 9 2s are minus 18, whole divided by common LCM. Common LCM 35 2s are 70. Okay, this is a common LCM. Now all these three signs are minus. So that means minus minus will be plus. So these three minus will be added. Minus 12 plus minus 5 plus minus 70. So that means answer will be 12 plus 5 17. 17 plus 18 is equal to minus 35 divided by 70. Now divide it or common factor, make it minus 35 into 1 and 35 into 2. So 35 will be cut and answer will be minus 1 divided by 2. So this is a sum or a common factor we have taken LCM, and after that we have the in the last answer is in the form of a reduced form. So this is a example number 5. Now we will start exercise number 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Sum number first. Using appropriate properties, find minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 6. This is the question. We have seen last example 5. Same way this answer will be also solved. So here it is a multiplication. So these two number will be first of all solved, and second multiplication is here. So these two fraction number will be solved. Now by solving this we can see that numerator and denominator is same. So it will be cut. Now what will be the answer? Minus 2 divided by 5 is the remaining answer. Plus 5 divided by 2 as it is. Here also there is a possibility of common factor. Common factor is 3 2s are 6. So remaining numerator is, here sign is minus, numerator remaining is minus, or sorry 1, and here 5 into 2, that means here denominator is 10. So this is the simplest form. Now we have to take a common LCM again. So let us start a LCM of 2, 5 and 10. So 2 will be come in the table of 2. 2 ones are. 5 will be not come in the table of 2. So 5 as it is. Now 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is remaining. So 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. That means our common LCM is 2 5s are 10. Now compare it here. Is equal to minus 2 divided by 5. Here 5 is there, which is the remaining number? Remaining number is 2. So multiply by 2. Second step, 5 divided by 2. Here denominator common LCM is 2. That means remaining number is 5. So it will be multiplied by 5. Third, minus 1 divided by 10. 1 divided 10 means 2 5s are 10. So that means both number has been there here. So there is no need of a multiplication of additional number, because here 10 is a common LCM and all number are there in the denominator. Now all will be a common factor. Minus 2 2s are minus 4 plus 5 5s are 25 minus 1 whole divided by common LCM 10. Now minus 4 plus 25 minus 1. That means 25 minus 4. Answer will be 21. Then minus 1. That means answer will be 20 divided by 10. So last answer will be 0, 0 cut. Last answer will be 2. Okay. This is a exercise number 1.1 and question number 1 first sum. Now again we will see a question number 2 of main question number 1. Main question number 1, sub question number 2. 2 divided by 5 into minus 3 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 14 into 2 divided by 5. This is the question. Now in this question also we can see that there is a multiplication of two fraction digits. Here second multiplication is here and third multiplication is here. Okay, so we will solve as per a multiplication. So now here is a no common factor. So 2 3s are minus 6 divided by 35 minus as it is. Here common factor is possible. 3 2s are. That means numerator is 1 and 2 2s are 4. Again here also common factor 2 7s are. So plus numerator is 1 and denominator 7 5s are 35. Okay, now we have to take a common LCM. Let us check what will be the common LCM of 4 35 35. 4 will be in the table of 4. 4 1s are. 35 will not be in table 4. Again 35 is not in the table 4. So now remaining is 35. 35 1s are. 35 others. So this is our common LCM. Okay. Now we have to compare one by one. Minus 6 divided by 35. Now see. Here 35 and common LCM is these two. So 35 is there. What is the remaining number? Remaining number is 4. So it will be multiplied by 4. It will be multiplied by 4. Now second, minus 1 divided by 4. Here 4 is there. That means this 4 is there. What is the remaining number? 35. So 35 will be multiplied by 4. Third step, plus 1 divided by 35. Here again 35 is there. Remaining, for making common LCM 4 is remaining, so multiply by 4. Okay. Now 6 4s are minus 24. 1 into 35 minus 35 plus 1 into 4 is equal to 4. And common LCM of 35 into 4 is equal to 140. These two numbers are in minus. So minus minus will be plus. So 30, 50 and 59 will be the answer. From 59, 4 is deducted. That means remaining answer will be minus 55 divided by 140. These two have a common factor of 5. Common factor of 5 means 11 into 5, 55. And here divide by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 40. 28 into 5. Okay, now 5 5 will be answer cut. So answer will be minus 11 divided by 28. This is the answer number 2. Okay, now we will start main question number 2. Main question number 2 is write the additive inverse of each of the following. We have to write additive inverse. Additive inverse means the sign will be changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Let us start question number 2, additive inverse. First question is 2 divided by 8. First question is 2 divided by 8. What will be the additive inverse? Means here it is no sign, that means it is a plus. So by changing, the answer of this will be minus 2 divided by 8. This is the additive inverse of 2 divided by 8. Okay. Second one is minus 5 divided by 9. So here is the sign is minus. So in additive inverse, this minus will become plus. The answer will be plus 5 divided by 9. This is the answer number 2. Okay. Now again third one is minus 6 minus 5. Third one is minus 6 minus 5. Here both the sign is minus, so that both will be the plus. That means 6 divided by 5. Question number 4. 19 divided by, so minus 6. 19 divided by minus. Here we can see 19 is a plus sign. So 19 will be minus sign and minus 6 is there. So it will be the plus 6. Okay. This is a additive inverse. Now we have completed question number 2. So in till question number 2 we have seen that additive inverse has been there. Okay. So students, today we have discussed additive inverse and a properties of multiplications. So you have to watch this video carefully and revise this sum which we have done in the video lectures. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp number. Next topic, that means exercise number 1, question number 3 will be discussed in the coming next lecture. Okay, thank you very much.